Michelle. I created this smoky look for you guys. I was kind of going with the flow when I was creating this look because I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I kind of got an inspo off of some other YouTuber that I seen, and I don't really cut my crease, so this is kind of what I got going on. And I have this lipstick that doesn't really even match, so this is the combo lip that I like to wear, so like I said, we're just kind of gonna roll with it. So I don't exactly know what type of look I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna start off by going in with the Morphe 3502 palette. Now look at all these shades. Now the thing I love about this palette is it has the name of the shades, because a lot of the Morphe palettes do. Why can I never talk every time I'm recording? A lot of the Morphe palettes do not have like this clear sheet with the names of the shadows on here, so I really like that. And usually when they do, it's just clear and I'll just throw it away, but I'm gonna keep this on here so that I can know the names of the shades. NARS concealer and biscuit, and I'm just gonna be trying to cut my crease. Now I do suck at this, so I'm still kind of practicing, so please bear with me. Okay, it looks okay. What? Hope these are like the same. Do they look the same to you guys? You know, last night you fell asleep and you was like, oh yeah, let's watch the rest of The Resident.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I'm like, seriously?
I realize.
Taking this Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I'm just going to be creating myself a cat wing, cat eye, cat wing, whatever you want to call it, but I'm going to do it. So going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. This is the first time that I'm using this, so I'm very excited. I've heard a lot of YouTubers using this foundation, and I am the shade Cadiz. I think that's how you pronounce it. So it has a pump, and I really like that because you can just, I'm gonna spray it. Actually, I'm gonna shake it up first because it does on the bottle, on the packaging say shake well before using. So I'm gonna just spray some of this. There we go. On the back of my hand. It is clean, so don't think it's dirty. I've tried to wash it like 3 times, but the foundation pretty much I guess dyed the brush. But I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild kabuki brush, take a little bit of product. I'm gonna work that on my face. It seems like you don't even need a lot, because look at this. I haven't even dipped it back into my hand, and the finish is really awesome, actually. I like the finish of this foundation. I haven't dipped it back into my hand yet. Ooh. I think this is probably my favorite foundation, along with side by side with the Hourglass. Look at this side of my face, which I don't have any foundation on, and then look at this side. It looks like super natural. You guys, look at this finish of this foundation. It really looks like skin. Look at that. And you don't need a lot. Find my other concealer, so I'm gonna be using this NARS Biscuit Concealer. Well, NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Biscuit. So then I'm taking the True Complexions Light to Medium palette, and I'm taking these 2 shades. Handy dandy Fix Plus of what I have left, because I actually need some more, but I'm gonna spray this. It's not even coming out like it should, just because I need some more. But tip, spray your face first before you put on mascara on your bottom lash line, because if you put your mascara on and then spray your face, it'll just run and get right underneath here, and that's something that you don't want. And then you have to go in and take it off. It's just a lot of work. So I just suggest spraying your face first and then going in with your mascara. Taking this LA Girl lip liner, I'm just going to line my lips. I'm going in with the Nude Cream 26 lipstick by Milani.